Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here to give you all the details on this wig. So this is gonna be like an update slash this is gonna be an update video. Okay, so I know that you guys may have or may not have seen my unboxing of my Amazon Nadula wig. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll link that video up in the cards. Anyway, here is the wig 6 months later. She's looking real cute, real juicy, right? Real cute. Okay, so she doesn't start off that way. I'm gonna show you guys how I got the wig out of my little wig basket. She was looking a little rough, a little raggedy, but I'm gonna show you guys how I brought her back to life with just 2 products. Usually when I'm styling this hair, I'll use 2 to 3 products, but I really don't like to use a lot because this hair doesn't need a lot because she's just ready to do her own thing in a good way. This is a 20-inch Jerry curl headband wig. Like I said, I got this wig from Amazon Nadula Hair, and since it's from Amazon, the shipping was really fast. The packaging was really nice. All that info, like I said, will be in the description box. I usually just co-wash this wig because I don't want to use shampoo on the wig and dry it out. So conditioner is just enough. So I'll show you guys what conditioner that I use on the wig and what the wig actually looks like, how it's constructed. It does come with 1 comb across the top, 2 combs on the side, of course the headband, and then it has an adjustable strap in the back and a comb in the back as well. I would say that this wig cap is big head friendly because I do feel like I have a lot of space. Even though my head is on the smaller side, it is about 21.5 inches, it still fits my head pretty good. You can adjust the actual headband. There is Velcro on the headband, but then as I mentioned, there is also a comb and adjustable straps in the wig, so you can pull it a little bit tighter if you do have a smaller head like me. But the wig still does lay pretty flat on my head, so I don't have any issues with that. But if you do have a bigger head, it's okay. This wig will fit you. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I actually wash the hair.
Hey, so it's me from the future. I don't know what happened to this part of the video, but anyway, before we wash the wig, I just want to show you to use a paddle brush and brush your wig out from the ends to the roots. Make sure there's no tangles in the wig before you wash or co-wash your wig. And here is what the wig looks like all brushed out. Beautiful. We love it. All right, back to the video.
For video purposes, I am using this bowl here, but you can use your sink. So I'm just pretty much going to soak the hair in the water to get the wig fully saturated. Once I do that, I'll lift the hair up and then I'll start adding conditioner to the water and letting it soak a little bit. Once I do that, I'll rinse everything out and then go through with the conditioner one more time, brush the conditioner through. I'll let it sit for a little while and then I rinse the hair out once again. I leave it on my mannequin head. I let it dry overnight. You can use a diffuser on this hair, but I usually don't. I like to let my curly hair air dry. I feel like it looks better to me. But before I dried it, I did go ahead and put a little bit of the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff on my hair. It gets the hair, like the curls defined, but it does not leave the hair hard at all. So basically what happens is the curls will clump up together like they are at the bottom, but then as the day goes by, I kind of just let my hair do its own thing and it'll get fluffier and fluffier as the day goes, and I like to wear it like that. Once it gets really big, I'll comb it out and I like to wear it that way as well. It's really versatile. I like this wig. It's super easy, super convenient, and I don't have any, well, these are my edges, but you don't have to put your edges out if you don't want to. You can put another headband on if you like. These wigs are just really easy and they're great to have in your collection. And quiet as it's kept, this wig is like one of the best wigs that I have. Like the actual hair on the wig is so soft, so I really don't get any tangling. And as far as shedding, the wig does shed just a little bit, but only when I'm co-washing the hair. I don't comb through this hair much at all. If I do get a tiny bit of shedding, but nothing crazy. I promise y'all, I'm not gonna lie, nothing crazy. But yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this hair at all. If you guys noticed, I've had this wig for quite some time, and I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for being so patient with me. I've had this wig for 6 months and it is still looking really, really good. You don't need to use a lot of product on it. I feel like that's what kind of gets your hair to start acting weird when you start putting too much product in it. So I literally just co-wash, put the leave-in conditioner in, and maybe some mousse and water if I want to refresh the curls a little bit. But that's pretty much it. That's it. So again, this is a 20-inch jerry curl. This is how long it comes on me. I have all the hair to the front, and here is all the hair to the back. And I am 5 feet tall for reference. So yeah, I feel like I covered everything. These wigs are super easy and convenient. If you don't have one in your collection, grab one, give it a try. I don't know what you're waiting for, just get it and try it. If I missed anything, leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And please make sure you subscribe. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not following me on Instagram, all that information will be here and down there. See you guys later.